Java in the gaming industry, a crucial player. Java, known for its versatility and cross-platform compatibility, has emerged as a crucial player in the gaming industry. Java programming, a foundation for game development. Java language is widely used in the development of various types of games. Its object-oriented nature and extensive libraries make it suitable for both 2D and 3D game programming. Java games, a testament to Java's capabilities. Numerous successful games have been developed using Java, showcasing the language's capabilities in the gaming industry. Game design with Java, a streamlined process. Java's flexibility and extensive toolset make game design an efficient and streamlined process. Java software and gaming technology. Java seamlessly integrates with popular gaming technologies like OpenGL and OpenAL, enabling developers to leverage the industry's standard tools and frameworks for advanced graphics rendering and audio processing. The future of Java development in gaming. As technology continues to evolve, the gaming industry is likely to witness further advancements. Java, with its adaptability and continued development, is expected to play a significant role in shaping the future of gaming. Conclusion. The success of Java-powered games, coupled with its community support and performance optimization capabilities, is a testament to its effectiveness in the gaming technology landscape.